Welcome to video number 24. In video number 24, we're going to chat about social media integration. I mean, WordPress is a very nice little feature because WordPress allows you to actually, um, connect, people can connect via the WordPress.com, but you want to take it a step further and allow people to actually register or sign up with Facebook or a Twitter account, right? Or let's say you wanted to, link up your Facebook and Twitter profile with your WordPress. Every time when you post something, then you're going to it's going to be pushed towards your Twitter or your Facebook. So this is a topic. This is a subject that is a good thing to actually integrate into your website. It saves you a hassle and it saves you time. So the first thing that I would concentrate on or go at is starting off by going to your plugins, because we need a plugin to get this working, and we need a plugin for this to actually work, right? So when you're logged in, I want you to move to your plugins, and we're going to search. We're going to add a new plugin and search for a plugin that's actually going to do this functionality for us. And you can see that if you go to the popularity tags, you can see that Facebook is one of the most how can I say popular tags out there because of the size of it. So when I click on it, then the first thing that's going to pop up is probably a microblog poster. So microblog poster, let's have a look at this plugin. And the first thing I saw is it got a good rating, only based on 2 people though. So that's not really viable, is it? So let's have a look at the screenshots of this thing. So for me, it's kind of going like, no, this is not really going to work for us because it's got 11,000 downloads though. So I mean, this can maybe work for us. So let's go and see at the installation. It says upload the contents of the micro poster folder to your plugin folder. Activate your plugin for plugins. Settings, micro poster. Configure your social network accounts. The plugin is ready. It will automatically cross posts whenever you publish a new blog post. So we're gonna go, and I'm gonna go for this one now and see how it goes. And we're going to basically allow to install it, and we're going to configure this so that we can have our social media integrated into our posts, right? So once I've installed that microblogger, you can see it's automatically publish you a new blog content, and that's what we're going to do. So we need to actually search for there we go, microblogger poster is inside of the settings folder. And the first thing that we need to do, and that's the thing about when you configure something like this, is to make sure that you are aware of Facebook developer. I'm just going to type it out, developer section. So with Facebook developer, you can go and you can configure stuff like this. So when we go using shared dialog, profile picture, field picker, place picker. So we're gonna go for we're probably going to head over to using and sharing dialog, and we need to basically grab an API for from Facebook. But these guys want to use Bitly to actually do that, which is not currently what I want to do, or really what I want to get at. So I'm gonna go back to plugins. I'm gonna search for something else. So I'm just gonna deactivate microblog poster, and I'm going to hit delete on that. So once I want to delete everything, and once I have deleted everything, I'm gonna go to add new, and I'm going to press Facebook again, and I'm going to search for a integration that will actually work for us. So recent Facebook posts, that looks like something that can maybe work. Let's have a look at its details. It's got 21 ratings, it's 5-star. Let's have a look at the install menu. It says upload, activate. If you're a Facebook developer, you had registered on here. Create Facebook application, full any valid names. Okay, so this is going to work for us. And this is a quite famous one, so I'm just gonna go and hit install. Get this guy installed on our system, and I'm going to activate the plugin. I'm going to wait for it to download and get activated successfully, and then you can see that Facebook it's already been pasted out there, so you can just press it, and once you've done that, it says not connected. So we need a Facebook API for that to get that, you need to use this. So you go to that, you go facebook.com and your profile name. So you can go http://facebook.com/ and then possible technologies, because that is mine. And it'll look up the numeric ID of it, and there's your numeric ID. So that's what you're going to use to integrate this. So we're going to go Facebook page ID. Yeah, we're going to press the wrong one right there. We're going to paste this one. And then we need to Facebook app ID, right? So the way that we can get an app ID is normally they will go and tell you where to get the app ID. So we need to go to developers to actually do that. So we're going to go to developer section and we're going to look for a app ID that we can. So we can just Google Facebook get app ID, and then no, this is not the one. How to get Facebook? No. Okay, this one, get app ID. So normally when you install a Facebook integration, they will already give you a where to go to actually do this. So it's quite strange for me, like the reason why they that they're not allowing that or not showing us where to actually get the API, which is strange for me. So web, let's see what happens if we go here. Getting started with mobile, PHP SDK, which probably, there we go. Facebook for WordPress, official plugin. Oh, this can even work better. If we go and we download this, it's got a lot of bad ratings, but I mean, Facebook made it, so that should be fine. So we just go back to our WordPress site and we go, and I need to get that WordPress site of mine again. There we go, and we go to plugins and we say add new, and we're going to, instead of searching for it, we're going to upload this plugin because we've already downloaded it, right? So at downloads, date modified, we say Facebook, we're going to open it and we're going to install it. And once we have installed this application successfully, and we're going to activate the plugin, there we've got the original Facebook. That is the right one that we were looking for. So this one, you can see you can create an API, and I've already got an app ID. So I'm just going to copy that app ID of mine. So I'm going to press copy, and I'm going to go back to my site, and I'm going to, where is my site? Got too much stuff going on here. So annoying. Give me 1 second. Let me just get rid of everything. There we go. That's how we do it. And then I'm just gonna go to my domain. And I'm gonna go to Facebook. And I'm gonna hit paste on the app ID. And then we just need the app secret as well, which is important. Paste that, open this in a new tab, and I'm gonna look at my secret. So don't even bother trying to get mine, because I'm gonna reset mine once I am done with this video. So for those that think that they're going to copy mine, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna reset that when I'm done with this video. So once that is loading up, you'll see that, you know, it's integrated successfully, and you can like start editing your buttons and start editing your send buttons, and that's how we get Facebook integrated. In the next video, we're going to have a look at integrating Twitter into our blog or into our client website.